What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you, is it possible to watch Netflix on Nintendo Switch. For that there are two ways to do that. Before we get into the video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future update. So let's dive right into the video. So these days, when some streaming apps can be sporting running on Nintendo Switch, the game console can even become movies and anime playback devices for having more fun except for simply playing games. However, except for platforms like YouTube and other popular ones such as Netflix are not supported by operating system like Nintendo Switch. There is no Netflix application directly available for Nintendo Switch, but there is an workaround that lets you successfully watch Netflix movies on it. So the first method is to download Netflix movies directly and watch them on your Switch. So the step one is to sign into movepilot.com Netflix video downloader. So here what you have to do is to sign into your Netflix, then search for the video that you want to download, and after that set up your account, like set up the output format, code C, audio, subtitles, languages. Then now download Netflix videos offline batch, and then what you have to do is to simply play them on your device. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.